As per the most recent long-haul gauge, Solana cost will hit $400 toward the finish of 2024 and afterward $700 by the center of 2025. Solana will ascend to $800 inside the extended time of 2026, $10200 in 2027, $10500 in 2032, and $2000 in 2035. Solana value forecast 2024-2025. Solana cost began in 2024 at $100-192. Today, Solana exchanged at $109.54, so the cost expanded by 7% from the very start of the year. The estimated Solana cost toward the finish of 2024 is $489, and the year-to-year change plus 380%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 346%. In 2024, we hope to see $277 per 1 Solana. In the main portion of 2025, the Solana cost will move to $739. In the last part, the cost would add $34 and close the year at $773, which is plus 606% to the ongoing cost. The estimate for later, close to days and months. Wednesday, Feb 21, $111. Thursday, Feb 22, $112. Friday, Feb 23, $113. Saturday, Feb 24, $115. Sunday, Feb 25, $116. Monday, Feb 26, $117. Tuesday, Feb 27, $118. Wednesday, Feb 28, $120. Walk $15, $140. April $15, $180. May $15, $218. June $15, $258. July $15, $294. August $15, $330. Solana forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Solana cost would move from $773 to $137, which is up 47%. Solana will begin 2026 at $773, then at that point take off to $806 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $841. That implies plus 668% from today. Solana expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Solana cost would ascend from $1 to $137 to $291, which is plus 84%. Solana will begin 2031 at $137, then take off to $1,253 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at $1,373. It is about plus 153% from today. Solana value expectation 2024-2025. Solana cost began in 2024 at $100-192. Today, Solana exchanged at $94.71, so the cost diminished by 7% from the very outset of the year. The anticipated Solana cost toward the finish of 2024 is $423.37, and the year-to-year change plus 315%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 347%. In 2024, we hope to see $239.77 per 1 Solana. In the primary portion of 2025, the Solana cost will move to $639.49. In the final part, the cost would add $29.50 and close the year at $668.99, which is plus 606% to the ongoing cost. Solana forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Solana cost would move from $668.99 to $983.56, which is up 47%. Solana will begin 2026 at $668.99, then, at that point, take off to $697.40 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $727.50. That implies plus 668% from today. Solana forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Solana cost would ascend from $983.56 to $1,809.05, which is plus 84%. Solana will begin 2031 at $983.56, then take off to $183.98 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $187.73. It is about plus 154% from today. 0.11524. Solana value expectation 2024-2025. Solana cost began in 2024 at $100-192. Today, Solana exchanged at $95.60. So the cost diminished by 6% from the start of the year. The estimated Solana cost toward the finish of 2024 is $1348, and the year-to-year change plus 796%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 855%. In 2024, we hope to see $372.85 per 1 Solana. In the principal half of 2025, the Solana cost will drop to $822.73. In the final part, the cost would add $114.60 and close the year at $937.33, which is plus 880% to the ongoing cost. Solana forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring a critical increment. Solana cost would move from $937.33 to $509.46, which is up 168%. Solana will begin 2026 at $937.33, then dip to $921.40 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $820.31. That implies plus 758% from today. Solana expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Solana cost would rise essentially from $2,509.46 to $8,218.1, which is plus 227%. Solana will begin 2031 at $2,509.46, then, at that point, take off to $2,994.62 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $3,356.39. It is about plus 411% from today. 101224. Solana value forecast 2024-2025. Solana cost began in 2024 at $101.92. Today, Solana exchanged at $101.93, so the cost diminished by 0% from the start of the year. The estimated Solana cost toward the finish of 2024 is $9,975 and the year-to-year change plus 857%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 856%. In 2024, we hope to see $398 per 1 Solana. In the principal half of 2025, the Solana cost will drop to $878. In the last part, the cost would add $122 and close the year at $1,000, which is plus 881% to the ongoing cost. Solana expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring a huge increment. Solana cost would move from $1,000 to $2,676, which is up 168%. Solana will begin 2026 at $1,000, then at that point, dip to $983 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $875. That implies plus 758% from today. Solana expectation 2031-2035. In this period, the Solana cost would rise essentially from $2 to $676 to $8,764, which is plus 228%. Solana will begin 2031 at $2,676, then take off to $3,193 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $3,579. It is about plus 411%.